Want to unlock ads in Candy Crush Saga? Here is the secret to get more ads in the game. Reach higher levels. As you progress through Candy Crush Saga, ads appear more frequently at higher levels. The more advanced you are, the more opportunities you will have to watch ads. Play regularly. Consistent play increases your chances of seeing ads. The more you play, the more likely you are to trigger ads in the game. Ensure your game is updated. Keep your Candy Crush Saga game updated to the latest version. Head to the Play Store or App Store, search for Candy Crush Saga and check if an update is available. If so, click Update. Stay connected to the internet. Ads in Candy Crush Saga will appear when you have an active internet connection. Make sure you are online to unlock ad-based rewards. Wait for lives or boosters. Ads often appear when you are low on lives or boosters. When you run out of these, the game may offer the chance to watch an ad for additional rewards. That's it. Follow these steps to unlock ads in Candy Crush Saga and enjoy extra rewards.